Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Roitech. Let's start today's topic Realme Buds Wireless 2. Today we bought this Realme Wireless Buds 2. This wireless earbuds comes with many interesting features at this price point. Let's take a look on it. Then I will show you how was my experience with it. So let's take a look. Let's talk about the build quality. The build quality is better and durable as well. The silicone material is used in neckband and it gives you a better comfort in your neck. Also with transparency mode and 88 ms of super low latency with active noise cancellation, it helps you to reduce unwanted noise up to 25 dB. With Hawk Plus AI noise cancellation for calls. These features can separate and extract the noisy voice from the surrounding for you to experience a clear voice. R2 professional chip is installed inside it, which gives a stable connectivity and better for ultra low power consumptions. 29 gram of weight only and comes with two colors. And many features like IPX5 sweat and water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C charging support and 13.6 mm of bass boost drivers. Let's talk about a more important thing is audio quality and battery backup. The company claim about these buds is the bass is designed by the chain smoker for these buds. Sony LDAC high-res audio gives you the uncompromisable sound and richer sound quality, which have a crystal clear audio experience as well. 18 hours of playback time with ANC on at 50% of volume and 22 hours of playback time with ANC off at 50% of volume and 11 hours of playback time with ANC off and volume at 50% with LDAC quality. 12 hours of playback from a 10 minute of charge. It's also with the Realme Link app of equalizer. This is the best app for customization for audio. Have a best user interface and many interesting features in equalizer for gamers like game mode and other equalization modes like bass boosters and many enhancing equalizer effects. And while using with this app, the app is giving many presets to customize and enhance your audio level. It gives you a 24 hours of playback on full charge. Also dart charge support for these wireless earbuds too. So finally at the end of the results, my opinion for this Realme wireless earbuds 2, this is the best wireless earbuds ever which coming at this price point with LDAC and high-res audio quality. So this earphones is best to enhance your experience level. If you like this earphones, so go for it. And if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We meet again in another interesting video with another interesting topic like this.